Hi everyone. So I have ordered this Nxtdigitron A3 dashcam from Amazon and received it. So this uh, comes with the bundle hardware kit. Hardware kit for A3 dashcam, which you can use to connect to directly a car fuse box, and which will do parking mode recording. So let's do the unboxing. So this is A3 Nxtdigitron, in which we have loop recording option, voice recording, night vision, 30 frame per second recording, full HD recording, Wi-Fi, app video sync, G sensor, and 128 GB memory card support. So this dashcam can help in evidence of a car accident, captures bad driving, prevent wrong challan and fraud, and record your road trips, which you can later enjoy. So the features of this is we have super capacitor technology suitable for hot India weather. Now, there is no lithium ion battery. This super capacitor will help. There is a detachable design and easy to remove when needed. So we can use Wi-Fi connection to connect Yo Mera app. There is a IPS battery protection technology, 1080 full HD recording, and 24 hours parking mode when we connect this dash cam with hardware kit only. Okay, so let's do unboxing. So in the box we get this warranty card. We can also reach on this number if we are not happy with the product or if we have any issue. This is the information of the app. We can scan this QR code and get the user guide of this dashcam. These are the some precautions which we have to do before using this. And for downloading this app, we can use iOS and Android. Both QR code is there. This is the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password for this dashcam. There's additional accessories available with this: CPL filter, this mount and hardware kit, and this long power cable. These are the some technical details of this. You can pause the video and see the information. So now let's see the box. So we have this tools which we can use to hide the cable. This is the normal connector, car type connector to connect the dash cam. This is the 3M tape and this holder which we can stick on dashboard, and then we can plug the camera. There's another sticker available in case if you need it. Now comes to the dash cam. So this is the dash cam Nxtdigitron A3, designed by DDPi. Here we have the micro SD card and the reset pin. Yeah, so let's install it and then we'll see. Here is the audio port. So we'll install this dashcam and see how does it work.